Hello, welcome to my channel 5 Minutes English Story Every Day. Today we are going to learn listening English through story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing and educational stories. A Night in the Club. My name is Alex. I am 21 years old and I look like a girl, but I am not one. People call me a trap boy because I look like a girl, but I am a guy. Sometimes it feels funny, and sometimes it feels strange, but I don't care. I like how I look, and I like to have fun. Last Saturday, I decided to go to a club. The lights were bright and the music was loud. People were dancing everywhere. I put on a short dress, some makeup, and high heels. I felt good. I was ready to have a great night. When I walked into the club, everyone looked at me. Some people smiled and some people stared. I walked to the bar and ordered a drink. The bartender smiled at me and said, "You look amazing tonight." I smiled back and said, "Thanks." I sat at the bar for a while, drinking and watching the people dance. I liked the music. It made me feel alive. Soon, a guy came to talk to me. His name was Jake. He smiled and said, "Hi, I'm Jake. Can I buy you a drink?" I said, "Sure." We talked for a few minutes, and I could see that Jake was interested in me. He liked how I looked. I could tell. Jake and I danced together. We had fun. The music was loud, and we were laughing and smiling. I felt like I was in the center of attention, and I liked it. We talked more, and soon he said, "Do you want to leave the club with me?" I smiled and said, "Okay." We walked out of the club together. He took me to his car and we drove to his apartment. When we got there, we went inside and the night became quiet. It was just the two of us. We kissed and then we went to his bedroom. I felt good, but I knew this would only be a one-night thing. It was fun, but I didn't want anything more. In the morning, I woke up alone. Jake was already gone. I looked at the clock, and it was time for me to go home. I smiled and thought about the night. It was just a fun time, nothing serious. I put on my clothes, took a shower, and left his apartment. I walked back home, feeling happy. Sometimes life is simple. You have fun, and then you move on. I am Alex the Trap Boy, and this is my life. Sometimes it's crazy, sometimes it's fun, but it's always my choice. Hope you enjoyed the story. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more stories like this. Thank you.